Right, probably going to be pushing my luck with this 3, but we'll see how it goes. One just to tick off Bill. There's the mouth padlock. That's the, you can see it, W pick I've made. Gives a bit more spring tension. Put it in, get it over, and I don't know if you can see that, quite a bit of tension, and there she goes, she's open. Next one, an American, fairly old lock, it's Old Glory. I don't know what the brand really is, but brass and rusty metal. Using the warded picks. Try this one, and it goes. So that one's not going to go. I'll try that. The next best one. It's one of the 2 favourites for. There you go. Nice and easy. Oh. Same thing. Get the key to go in. And she's open. The other one's my namesake. With the key, one of the old padlocks. Again, it is a warded padlock. You can see this one will probably pop it, so in it goes, and smooth as silk. Not bad for something that's about 80 years old. In we go. And again. Thank you.